In prime-time news this evening, chaos in Spanish town St. Catherine. Several persons shot as police intervene in gang feud. Man arrested for allegedly defrauding reggae icon of $5 million. High violence society. We delve deeper with part 2 of our In Focus report, Jungle Justice, Mob Killings in Jamaica.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. We have a full package for you this evening. There's the business day, primetime sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. And of course, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to today's announcement of the return of the JCDC Festival Song Competition? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or you can tweet @televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.